Some people are born with everything, and some are born with nothing but pain. Today's story is about a young man who had no parents, no support, and no comfort, only silent nights and endless struggle. One small choice he made out of kindness changed the course of his entire life. This is not just a story, it's a reminder that when you give with a pure heart, life gives back in ways you never expect. Stay till the end. This story might change how you see your own life. This is the story of a 24-year-old boy who worked for a strict boss. He had no family, his parents had passed away. Life was hard. Every day he earned a little money, came home, cooked food, ate, and went to sleep. One night he cooked 4 chapatis and some vegetables. But when he came back after washing his hands, 1 chapati was missing. He thought it was strange, but ignored it. The same thing happened the next day. By the 3rd day he decided to stay alert, and caught the thief, a big fat mouse. The boy grabbed the mouse, but to his surprise the mouse spoke. "Brother," said the mouse, "why are you stopping me? I'm just taking my share of fate. Please let me have the chapati." The boy replied, "I barely have enough to eat. I make 4 chapatis to survive, and you steal 1 every day. My life is already difficult." The mouse said, "I know someone who can help you. He will answer all your questions and guide you in life." The boy asked, "Who is this person?" The mouse replied, "He is Gautam Buddha. Go to his ashram and he will show you the way." The boy decided to follow the mouse's advice. He took a 5-day leave from work and started his journey. On the first night he saw a big mansion and asked for shelter. The owner of the mansion said, "Where are you going, son?" The boy replied, "I am going to Gautam Buddha's ashram." The owner said, "That's wonderful. Can you ask him a question for me? My daughter hasn't spoken a word in 20 years. Please ask him when she will speak again." The boy promised to ask, and continued his journey. The next day he reached snowy mountains. The path was dangerous, and he didn't know how to cross. Then he saw a magician meditating there. The magician said, "Where are you going?" The boy replied, "I am going to meet Gautam Buddha." The magician said, "Can you ask him a question for me? I've been meditating here for 1,000 years, but I still can't go to heaven. Please ask when I will reach heaven." The boy agreed. The magician used his magic to help the boy cross the mountain. Later the boy came to a big river. He couldn't figure out how to cross it. Then he saw a giant tortoise. The tortoise said, "Where are you going?" The boy replied, "I am going to meet Gautam Buddha." The tortoise said, "I've been in this river for 500 years trying to become a dragon. Please ask him when I will become one." The boy agreed and crossed the river on the tortoise's back. Finally the boy reached Gautam Buddha's ashram. After listening to Buddha's discourse, he learned that Buddha would only answer 3 questions. The boy now faced a dilemma. He had 4 questions: the owner's, the magician's, the tortoise's, and his own. After much thought, he decided to drop his question and ask the other 3. Gautam Buddha answered, "First, the owner's daughter will speak the day she gets married. Second, the magician will go to heaven if he lets go of his stick. And third, the tortoise will become a dragon when he removes his shell." The boy thanked Gautam Buddha and began his return journey. He told the tortoise, "Buddha says you will become a dragon if you remove your shell." The tortoise removed its shell and transformed into a magnificent dragon. Before flying away, it left behind a pile of pearls as a gift. The boy met the magician and said, "Buddha says you must let go of your stick to go to heaven." The magician handed over the stick to the boy and ascended to heaven. Finally the boy reached the mansion and told the owner, "Buddha says your daughter will speak the day she gets married." The owner was overjoyed and said, "Who could be a better groom than you? Please marry my daughter." The boy married the girl, and as soon as they were wed she spoke her first words, "You are the one who came to our house that night." The boy's life transformed. He now had wealth from the pearls, power from the magician's stick, and love from his wife. All of this happened because he chose to put others first. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. True greatness comes from selflessness and sacrifice. The boy dared to give up his question to help others, and in doing so he found happiness and success. Life often challenges us to choose between our desires and the needs of others. When we prioritize kindness, empathy, and generosity, the universe rewards us in unexpected ways. Remember, helping others can create lasting joy and fulfillment. Letting go of fears and bad habits opens the door to new opportunities. Selflessness doesn't mean losing, it means gaining something far more valuable. So take a step today to let go of selfishness and help someone in need. In return, life will surprise you with blessings beyond your imagination.